mirrors again, because left two lanes are going to merge into one. It's 40 miles per hour still, and still following the central London direction. Keeping it raining at the moment. So I'm going to change my lane to left side, as I'm not to make any progress. I'll go back to my left lane here. At the next roundabout, I'll follow sign towards Ilford. Mirrors check and slow down to stop. I'm going to pull my handbrake up here and scanning my mirror for motorbike cyclists. Light change, mirrors check, and make a move. Speed goes to 30 miles per hour here. I'm going to stay with the speed limit 29, 27, and I'm going for Ilford now. So no pedestrian here. So Ilford is the first exit on the left side, A123 road number. So lights change, I'm going to check my mirrors, slow down, and scanning motorbike cyclists coming up. This change, I'm going to move. Signal left now. Again, scan the mirrors. Speed is 30 miles per hour. Just keep in mind. A123, scan the left mirror again. Signal off, pedestrian is still green, and I'm going to follow this road head now. Again, assessing the mirrors for the traffic behind me and even trying to overtake me. Keep it nice and slow here. Next pedestrian crossing coming up. Scan if someone is there, if someone pressed the button but not pressed, so it's not going to change. I'm following the road head. So from here I can see the road marking arrows there on the left side. Scanning the mirrors, lights can change as it's green from a distance. I'm going to go off the gas here, and I'm going to clear it. There's a cyclist here, so I need to give a width of the car to pass the cyclist. But there is a width restriction coming up. Pinch point. I'm going to slow down, and I'm going to scan my mirrors, go slightly wider, overtake the cyclist, scan my mirror, come back left. Following the road towards left only. The light is green, it may change. I already assessed my mirrors. road, 30 miles per hour. Again, look at the pedestrians. Slow down traffic flow. I'm following the road, had the traffic light. So just local knowledge, the right hand lane goes straight, the left goes to the left. And again, lights can change. Be ready to stop. You assess the mirrors. It's a yellow box also. It's a green, yellow box clear. We'll go. Again, assessing the mirrors here. Light is green again, it might change. You have two lanes going straight. I'm going for the right side one. And the yellow box is clear also. Scan my left mirror, no one coming from there. I'll go. There's a delivery van. I have to go around it. I'm already scanning my mirrors. I'm making my position early. So that's my indicator for other road users. Pretty soon there, I'm slowing down. Scanning my mirrors for cyclist. Come back left. Here's pedestrian crossing. The car is doing a maneuver. I'm going to check my mirrors. Pedestrian has been there also. It might change. I'm going to stop before the solid line. It's green. Here we go. Now I'm going to follow sign towards Romford. Seven King. At the next roundabout. So hill, beware of pedestrian going across the road to go to the train station. This green cyclist is there. It's yellow box, it's clear. I'm going to scan the mirrors, come behind the left lane. Keeping my safe distance from the car in front and observing any cyclists coming down this way. And pedestrian can cross the road. Again, assessing the mirrors. That's the first signboard there on the right and left, which is Romford only. Parking Romford Dagenham. I'm going for Romford and 7 King. So bus lane is on my left 24/7 and lights can change for this crossing, pedestrian crossing. I scan my mirrors, a little bit signal here to change my lane here, and you got the bus lane and you got the big long pedestrian crossing. That's a signboard for the roundabout which says 7 King Romford. The first exit on the left. So beware of the pedestrian crossing first. Scan the crossing, you can make it. And the first exit on the left here. There is signal left here. Scan the traffic from the right side, hold back, slow down. Signal again, look ahead, look right. Look ahead, look right. That's my gap. Signal off. So Windsor Way, 30 mile road, 27-28 miles per hour. Again, next roundabout we're going for Romford. Direction 7 King Romford. The roundabout sign coming up. My speed is 29 miles per hour at the moment, which is third exit on top Romford. I'm going to slow down here, scanning my mirrors, and I'm going to choose the center lane from here. It's become 3 lanes. I'm going to choose the center lane here and take the outer circle on the roundabout. Scan the road right, clear. Look left mirror also, and we go around it. So first, second, and we third coming up. So mirror signal left here. Check left mirror again. Right also, maybe someone trying to overtake and come in front of you. Cancel signal. Look on the floor marking Romford on the sideboard also. So that's a giveaway sign here. Right is clear, and we go. And follow your lane. Romford on the floor. Check your mirrors, and we go. Light is red, we come to the right hand lane here. Again, scan the mirrors, motorbike cyclist here. I'm going to pull my handbrake up here. Mirrors and move. The cyclist is right in front of us at the moment. So next traffic light is red also. By the time we reach, hopefully this go green. So I've looked at the road marking, I'm going straight, so left hand lane is going straight, right is turning right. I'm scanning my mirrors to position myself to the left side. And I'm going to make a move now. Again, look at the mirrors. Slow down. Pinch point, scan the mirrors for the cyclist. 30-mile road, and cyclist is there, and then there's a lorry in the front, the delivery van. So I'm going to check my mirrors, position myself a little bit more right side here. Scan my mirrors again. I'm following the road head, but it's of course it's green. The next traffic light is green. Position myself to the left hand lane, which is going straight only. And scan my mirror, no one trying to overtake and come in front. At the next traffic light, I want to turn right, so we're turning right at the next traffic light. So there's road work going on. They narrow down the road, so watch your speed and mirrors and the distance from the car in front. So we're turning right here, so mirror signal green. It might change, but we might go through. It's changed, so we're going to stop at the stop line. And it's just turned green now, so I'm going to pull my handbrake up here, put in neutral, and relax my pedal. I can see there is a 4 light in front of me, so it can be a filter line, filter light to go right. But we'll see. Sometimes it won't work. Sometimes it's like in a busy time. They give you the filter lines. I'm going to get myself ready now, and the circle light. I'll move in the middle of the road here, junction. Keep my car straight because there's no space to tilt here. So position myself in front of my junction. Look at the traffic flow and look at the light in front. So whichever comes first. Stay slowing down. Got the filter arrow as well. I'm going to make a move. Again, mirror check. I'm following this road to new road, which is 30-mile road. But you drive according to the road condition. Lots of meeting traffic. I'm going to hold back here. Scanning my mirrors. So I'm going to stay in the crown of the road. And scanning my roads and the mirrors as well. End of road, I'm turning left there, so they already have congestion there. I'm going to hold back earlier, and people can come through that parked cars on the right hand side. Till the time they clear the junction, I'm going to mirror signal left here, but position myself at this point here. Now I'm going to make a move. Beware of the pedestrian around here at the mouth of the junction. Reinforce the indicators again. Scanning the road and the pedestrians. there's a crossing on my left. Right is clear. This is clear. And we make it. Again, congestion on a green lane. So drop the speed. High street, more shops, more pedestrians. So drop the speed. And there's a pedestrian crossing. Controlled one. It just turned green now. And scan your mirror for the cyclist. Still green, we're gonna go. Keep a good distance from the car in front. There's a person, there's a motorbike. Scan the mirror, keep going. Scan the mirror. And they might ask you to pull up somewhere here and move up again. So, pump routine. Again, scan the mirror, slow down. So bus is still left, giving the left indicator on, but look at how many passengers are there to move up. Bus gonna move soon. And take the next road on the left hand side. So mirror signal now. Slow down and see any pedestrian there at the junction, and change your speed also. So I'm going to slow down here, let this pedestrian pass. Look my left mirror for the cyclist. He's going into 20 miles per hour from Green Lane to Granton Road, behind the test center. And they will ask you to turn right into the car park, into the center. Hopefully that